This is inspired by my mom, coffee cake recipe. So you're gonna do the topping. That's crushed walnuts, chopped, some sugar and cinnamon. Done.
Easy.
And then we have a stick of butter, which is 1/4 pound, right?
Yes.
Okay. And we're gonna cream the sugar and butter, the oldest method in the book.
I don't know, GZ. Did Mama have a stand mixer? Shouldn't you just be hitting that with
you
like...
know that thing?
Yeah.
Oh, the hand mixer.
Yeah,
Okay,
hand mixer.
all right. Did she do it like this or was it electric?
No, it's electric.
Okay, I don't know how old you are, GZ. I'm just checking.
I think coffee cake screams holidays, too.
Oh.
Yeah.
You have one of these and your family's visiting.
Yes.
It's the morning. You're sitting around having a little coffee, a little talk, and some coffee cake.
Coffee cake.
It also makes a great gift.
Yes.
We're gonna, a couple of eggs go in.
But I've made it as a gift and then just eaten it.
That happens. Have you ever had coffee cake with coffee flavor?
No.
No.
Once I had coffee cake that had like a like espresso kind of crumble on top, and I've been chasing it ever since.
Well, you gotta make it.
Yeah.
We cream the butter and sugar, added 2 eggs, so easy. Vanilla, and then we're gonna just slow this down, slow the roll, and add sour cream.
Oh, I love sour cream in a coffee cake. It makes it.
Hey, you know, since you're doing an old recipe, quick question. Have you guys heard the fact that, you know, back then, the fat content and things like sour cream was different than the sour cream that we buy now?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Was it? Is it?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, this baby's done. That's mixed. We're just gonna sift flour. And you can get a sifter. You just have these sifters that you
Oh,
go
yeah.
Yes.
The hand.
Still
I
have
got one of
one.
them.
Yeah.
Salt,
Oh, I love it.
baking powder, baking soda, baking powder, baking soda. One is single acting, one is twice acting. And then we're just gonna...
We never washed that flour thing either. It just went right
No,
back
never.
in the
You would
cabinet.
never wash that.
Yeah, yeah.
I think my mom's turned.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there's one that
Right?
turns and there
It
was
has
one
like
that
a-
had the grip, you
Yeah.
know?
So very low with this, because I don't want to get anything on your lovely red blouse. And I'm just gonna
It's really all about you not getting anything on your lovely navy blazer.
Let's be honest.
Let's be honest.
I can see a blush through that tan.
How's that possible?
GZ, I just think it's really awesome, all of you, right? When you share a family heirloom recipe, it's more than special, you know? So thanks for sharing this with us, GZ.
My pleasure, and I know
I've never had one of your mom's baked recipes like
you're
this.
gonna have it today. Okay, so don't overwhip it, because you don't want to do any development of gluten or anything like
The
that.
gloosh.
The gloosh. These are the greatest things ever. Springform pans.
Come on.
Butter it a lot, just really butter it, and it's thick.
It's going to be nice, heavy.
It's really good to see
dense.
and know when a batter
Cake.
feels thick and you just think, did I do it wrong? And the answer is no.
No,
No.
you didn't.
That's perfect.
Okay, Katie's gonna come along and sprinkle that love on top.
I sometimes like my waffle
I
batter.
have a
that
little
thick.
bit more love here.
Here, go right in there. Thank you. This goes on top. 350, about 45 minutes, 50 minutes. Just a little cake tester in, comes out clean. You're done. Let it sit. Should be served room temperature. Now, I wouldn't serve this warm.
No.
I mean, I'd love to just kind of agree with you, but when something like this comes out of the oven, I
You
don't
say no.
Yeah.
I don't care.
Yeah. At least pick a little bit of the crumble off the top.
I don't
Look
care.
at this.
Let's see if Viola...
Oh, that's a coffee cake.
Mom, if it's not good, it's okay.
Oh, I'm sure it's gonna be great.
Oh, man.
Look at that beautiful crust around the
I want
edges.
to take a piece
You're gonna
out of
make this, next thing you know, your doorbell will ring. Unexpected company.
That reminds me of Sebastian
Yeah,
Maniscalco. Did you see that
The
bit he did?
Entenmann's, the coffee cake.
Is
and I
perfect.
serve this with a little sour cream on the
Yes,
side.
GZ.
Powdered sugar.
Do.
Wow.
Okay.
Do.
Sonny?
I don't mind if I do. Let me get a whole fresh new fork.
Does this remind you a little of the coffee cake that comes in the rectangular box?
No, this is much better.
No, it is, but it's got that
got
same
that vibe.
Americana vibe.
You know, I love, GZ, you always balance things out. The sour cream is smart. You know what I'm saying? To just go with the sweetness of everything.
And I think this needs a cup of black coffee.
Black
Fancy
coffee.
cappuccino.
Oh.
Needs black coffee.
What, you're not having an espresso
No, not with
standing at
this.
your counter with
No.
your perfectly
This
groomed
is a pot
poodle?
of coffee she made
It's a
on the
Vicente.
stove, percolated. You know the percolators, the old ones?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And would boil over all the time.
You know, the perfect thing about this coffee cake is not just obvious the flavor. It's moist. It's not too dense. The crumble on top is perfectly crunchy and sweet and salty.